Hello, this is the weekly water flow report for the San Pedro River at the Highway 92 Southeast Arizona river crossing on Highway 92. It is Sunday, July 31st, 2016, and the time is right around 8 a.m. Again, it's Sunday morning, July 31st. I'm at the southern bridge crossing, southern side of the bridge for the San Pedro River. Runs north and south from Mexico into the United States. This is the video of the amount of water flow at the bridge on Highway 92 that crosses the San Pedro River. As even though it's a cool and drizzly Sunday morning and quite a bit of traffic for this time of day on a Sunday morning, you can see that there is absolutely no indication of water flow at the river at this crossing. The river extends north into the United States and crosses under several other bridges located in southeastern Arizona and southern Arizona. Looking at the cottonwood trees that line the riverbed. This is the southern side of the bridge. If I look towards the north side, there's more traffic coming from the east, which is towards the Bisbee side. But for today, Sunday, July 31st, 2016, at 8 a.m. on a drizzly Sunday morning, there is no even flow. There is no flow. There's hardly even any puddles of the river flow at this point on the San Pedro River. That ends this week's water flow report for the San Pedro River. Highway 92 runs east and west, east towards Bisbee and west towards the Huachuca Mountains. Signing off for today, this water report shows no water flow again, even though we're in the midst of the 2016 monsoon season.